Good Thursday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Happy Halloween. Wait a sec. Where did my head go? All right, I'm going to try and find it. While I do that, check out this video of the first graders in Marblehead, Massachusetts.
On Maple Street in Marblehead, upon the northern shores, a place where you'll find kindness when you walk in through the doors. History's alive here and the kids are super cool. For 100 years and more, we welcome you to Glover School. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our halls. Welcome to the Glover School. Welcome one and all.
Wasn't that school song awesome? Those were the first graders at Glover Elementary from Marblehead. Thank you for a great visit yesterday. If you'd like an enrichment program, you can just head on over to our website, 1degreeoutside.com, click on school visits, or email us, contact@1degreeoutside.com. By the way, found my head. No more spooky tricks here in this forecast. Let's start with Noyes Notes. Record-breaking warmth today, 70s to low 80s. Cold front sweeps through tomorrow. Few showers with it. Not all that much moisture, though. That's been the theme so far this fall. Dry and much cooler this weekend. 50s south, 40s north, definitely a noticeable change. Most active breeze Saturday morning. I mentioned that because of the brush fires ongoing. 5 to 15 miles per hour Saturday morning with a few higher gusts, and then that wind will ease and stay fairly low for the remainder of the weekend. Bus stop this morning. Fall jacket, yes, although if the kiddos are wearing the costume to school and they don't want to wear the jacket, it's fine. You can let it go this morning because it warms so quickly. If they're not wearing a costume, they can dress for summer. Short sleeves, shorts, sneakers for sure. Sun and clouds with that southwest breeze kicking up a bit, boosting our temperatures 75 to 80, 65 to 70 along the south coast. Now, I mentioned yesterday in evening essentials, not every record's going to be broken across New England, but there will be some that fall today, including someplace like the Champlain Valley. Burlington coming into the mid-70s this afternoon. Old record to beat is 71. Somewhere like Portland climbs into the low 70s, warm, but not record-breaking. The record to beat in Portland is 80. Low to mid-70s for most of us through western Maine, the Crown of Maine up around 70, Bangor right around 74, and variable temperatures out through Nova Scotia, coolest along the west coast, and then still some lower 70s though in the forecast. Tonight is going to be remarkably mild. Just to put it in perspective, some of our overnight lows will be warmer than what our typical daytime highs should be for this time of the year. 60 to 65 south and 55 to 60 north. There'll be more clouds in the northern half of New England that increase, particularly during the late evening and first part of the overnight, and a few showers will extend right along the Canadian border into far northern Maine, and that's the leading edge of the cold front that will sweep through tomorrow. So until then, it's all about the record warmth during the day, gradually cruising off this evening, a bit breezy, but nothing too substantial. So many things to see and do. Pick one from every state of the 6-8 region. Great Halloween festival in Seekonk. We got the Dark Manor Haunted Trail in Baltic, Connecticut. That looks spooky. Screamfest, of course, very popular at Canopy Lake in Salem, New Hampshire. Jack-o'-lantern Spectacular in Providence. Trail of Terror, Haunted Walk in Saco, Maine, and the Queen City Ghost Walk in Burlington, Vermont. Of course, so many things to do today during the evening. Kiddos trick-or-treating. Do not have to wear the extra layers. Parents sunset at 5:38, so of course it gets dark and you're out with the glow sticks or the light up necklace here, keeping an eye on the kiddos here with cars going by. Temperatures slowly cruise off into the lower 70s and eventually upper 60s, but still very mild. The southwest wind will be about 5 to 15 miles per hour. I have the plus in there because we may have a few higher gusts on Cape Cod and the far south shore right at the coast that top out around maybe 20, 25 miles per hour occasionally through this evening. Have a happy Halloween, have fun, and be safe.